So I'm gonna take this plastic wine glasses like that, and I'm going to take this garland that is like gold and silver. We're gonna just cut a little piece like that, and then we're gonna take a little bit of hot glue, place it in there, and we're going to attach it to the bottom part of the glasses like that. So you're going to continue attaching until you do all of them, all three of them that you place it in there. Then after that, I'm gonna take this straw. You could use the regular one or you could use this one. And then you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna cut it, and then this one you're not gonna put hot glue. Just wrap it around. You can wrap it around pretty easy like that. So you're gonna do it to all three straw like that. Then after you guys done, I'm gonna take this little tray. You don't have to, but if you want to display it, just take this cooking sheet tray, and then just place a little bit of beads and place chocolate around it so they can also grab some candy, and then just go ahead and place it the glass in there right in the middle. You can fill up the whole thing, and this is how cute. If you want to do with round mirrors and put a little Christmas ball around it and display it like that, it looks super cute. And this is how cute it turns out if you want to do it with this tray, and then just place candy around it, or you can just leave it without it. Either way that you guys decide to do it, I think it looks great. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take this candle and I'm gonna take these push pins like that. I'm gonna use them in gold, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it through the candle. Be careful when you're putting it in because you could break the candle. So just go ahead and continue doing this, attaching the pins like that. You could do different colors if you would like. So just attach all the way to the bottom. Then I'm gonna take this tray again that we used before, and we're going to put this candle holder. So we're going to do it from taller to medium and then small, and place it like that. You can attach it if you would like. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some Christmas ball and throw it in there. Just throw a lot of Christmas ball, different size, and color around it like that. Then after you fill it up with a Christmas ball like that, I'm gonna put a little bit of black ball just to make it cute and stand out, and then just place a little bit of the small one. Then I'm gonna take this garland and place it in there just to give it a shiny look of New Year. Then after that, I'm gonna do some little light string light. You could place two or three of these lights so it can look better and it doesn't look like it doesn't have a lot of light. Then just go ahead and place your candle in the candle holder like that. I'm gonna place two there and then one in the middle. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. This is a cute centerpiece that you guys can do to display it on your table for New Year's day. And this is how beautiful it could start. You could do different colors if you would like. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take this gold tray, but the reason I'm gonna just use is the glass to display it like that really nice. So then I'm gonna take a cup and place one there, and then place the other one like that, like crossing it around like that. You're gonna hold it down, then you're gonna take the other cup and you're gonna put it at the bottom of that glass, and then put the glass through the other end of the glass like that. Pretty simple. And the good thing about this one, it can move around. You can like that, so you can decide what you want to get. I'm gonna take a few of these little garland and place it inside. You can display anything you would like here. You could display just candy, just fill it up with candy if you would like, whatever little snack that you want to place in there. I'm just gonna put a little cute little light right in the middle and there. And then I'm gonna put this little beads around it like that. And then I'm gonna put some Hershey kisses around it so people can just take some Hershey kisses. So I'm just gonna continue doing this until I do all three of them like that, just placing the candle inside and the string. And look how easy you guys this is. Easy so you guys can do it. I also think that you guys can spray paint this and it will look great. And look how cute. You could just go like that. They can switch it around. I think this came out so cute and it's so pretty that you guys can do. Another idea that I'm giving you, you can spray paint it all in black, and I think it also will looks great. Either way that you guys decide to do it, I think it's super cute. And then just place a little bit of the little light around it like that. Thanks again for watching Special Creation Bendelli, and I hope you guys like this DIY video.